Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. No story today. However, we'd just like to say thank you. Thank you to all those that came out to our pumpkin painting party yesterday. We had 61 pumpkins painted, which I think beats last year where I think we're in the 50s. So thank you to all the families, the little Picassos that are being born through our event. Thank you for joining us. It was really refreshing to see you guys all, even though it was partially through mass. It was still really good to see you guys and connect with you. So thank you again. We're hoping to put together a holiday event, so please stay tuned to that. And we'd love to see your faces for maybe a little bit longer at our holiday event. So let's get started. We want to congratulate or just about thank a few sellers that are about to close escrow. Our sellers on Cully, they will be relocating to the Kentucky, and what's exciting about that is they're retiring and kind of leaving Southern California and heading east. So anytime we hit that milestone of retirement on your own terms like this family is, it's really exciting. So congratulations, guys. And then our family that's selling on Westmont, which is the Palm Park area, we should be closing towards the end of the month, so in about 10 days. So congratulations to you guys. I know we're helping you also look for the next step, which is the next home. So excited about that as well. So early congratulations. We'll let you guys all know when it's official. We want to remind you of the homes that we have currently available. One on Recon, the Spanish style home. We actually got an offer on it that we might be moving forward. And really, the other one is on Hester. And that was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,600 square foot home. And this is really for those that are thinking about selling. It's still really a strong seller's market. We listed for $699. We had north of 15 offers, all well qualified families, or just about all of them above the asking price. And we're going to go into escrow for probably close to like $70,000, maybe $75,000 above that price. So incredible time. Sellers going into it thought they were going to get an amount, and obviously now they're going to get $75,000 on top of that amount. So they're excited. Obviously we are as well. And a lot of that was done because we had the property exterior and interior painted, some other stuff that was done to the home. We got it staged, and so we dolled up the house, and obviously the final results show with the 15 offers and those types of prices. So if that's you and you're thinking about it, we love the opportunity to have that conversation and share with you guys what we could do to obviously get that kind of results for you as well. The last thing is we have a few properties. One we're really excited about because it's really unique, doesn't happen in Uptown Whittier that often, and that is a new construction, or fairly new construction duplex. That's almost 3,600 square feet, 3,800 square feet I think is our square footage. And again, newly built about 4 or 5 years ago. So if you're interested in a duplex, new construction, fire sprinklers and all the 9 yards, this is definitely a property to consider. So let us know and we'll gladly share you the details. We have some home buyer workshops coming up. We have some exciting development ADUs and this new law that's going to hit effect January 1st, which is SB 9. We're going to be putting together some classes. I'm a big believer in owning real estate, obviously, and building your legacy through real estate. So we're going to be putting together these that are going to be sharing these types of things that are going on. So hopefully you would be able to capitalize them as well. So with that being said, thank you for your continued support. Thank you again to those families that joined us for the pumpkin painting party. We'd love to see your happy faces. We also love to see you share us and maybe refer us like you have. Anyways, all the best. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye, guys.